What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to put link on Instagram bio. So let's get right into it. Once you have logged in into your Instagram account, head over to your profile. Then go to your hamburger menu. Or all you have to do is go to your edit profile. Then click on add link. Then click on external link. If you have already copied a specific link that you want to add in here, you just have to paste the URL in here and give it a title if you want. And if you don't want to title it, you can just leave it also and just check mark it, and your link will be added in your Instagram bio. That's it. Hope this video will help you out, and if it does, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.